Is affiliate marketing hard for beginners? Affiliate marketing is a rapidly growing industry that offers individuals the opportunity to earn passive income by promoting other people's products or services. With the rise of e-commerce and the increasing number of online businesses, affiliate marketing has become an attractive avenue for those looking to make money online. However, many beginners wonder if affiliate marketing is a difficult endeavor to pursue. In this video, we will delve into the world of affiliate marketing and explore whether it is hard for beginners to get started. Understanding affiliate marketing. Before we dive into the difficulty level of affiliate marketing, let's first understand what it entails. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where affiliates earn a commission for each sale or lead they generate for a company. As an affiliate marketer, your primary task is to promote products or services through various channels, such as websites, blogs, social media, or email curve. Like any new venture, affiliate marketing does come with a learning curve. It requires a basic understanding of marketing principles, as well as familiarity with digital platforms and tools. However, with the abundance of online resources, courses, and communities available, beginners easily access the knowledge and guidance needed to get started. Low barrier to entry. One of the reasons affiliate marketing is popular among beginners is its low barrier to entry. Unlike starting a traditional business, you don't need a large amount of capital or technical expertise to begin. Affiliate programs are typically free to join, and you can start promoting products or services right away. Strategies for success. While affiliate marketing may not be inherently difficult, it does require effort, dedication, and strategic thinking to achieve success. Here are some strategies beginners can employ to increase their chances of success. 1. Niche selection. Choosing a specific niche allows you to focus your efforts on a targeted audience, increasing the likelihood of conversion. Researching popular niches and identifying profitable products or services within them is a crucial step. 2. Content creation. Creating high-quality, valuable content is at the heart of affiliate marketing. Whether it's writing blog posts, producing videos, or engaging on social media, providing helpful information and building trust with your audience is key to driving conversions. 3. Building an audience. Growing an engaged audience is essential for affiliate marketing success. Utilize SEO techniques, social media marketing, and email marketing to attract and retain your audience. Building a loyal following will increase your chances of generating sales. 4. Selecting the right affiliate programs. Not all affiliate programs are created equal, and choose programs that align with your niche and offer competitive commission rates. Look for programs that provide robust support, resources, and tracking tools to help you optimize your marketing efforts. 5. Continuous learning. The affiliate marketing landscape is constantly evolving. Stay up to date with industry trends, strategies, and best practices by joining forums, attending webinars, and reading rigorous learning will ensure you stay ahead of the curve and adapt to changes in the market. Success stories. To further illustrate that affiliate marketing is not overly difficult for beginners, let's take a look at some success stories. Pat Flynn. Pat Flynn is a well-known affiliate marketer who started from scratch and now earns a significant income through his online business. He shares his journey and strategies on his blog and podcast, offering valuable insights to beginners. Michelle Schroeder Gardner. Michelle is another inspiring example of a successful affiliate marketer. She started her blog as a personal finance platform and gradually monetized it through affiliate marketing. Today, she earns a six-figure monthly income solely from affiliate marketing. These success stories demonstrate that with the right mindset, dedication, and consistent effort, beginners can achieve remarkable results in the field of affiliate marketing. Conclusion. While affiliate marketing may have a learning curve, it is not inherently difficult for beginners. With the abundance of resources available and the right strategies in place, anyone can start their affiliate marketing journey and achieve success. Remember, like any business endeavor, it requires effort, persistence, and continued. So, if you're willing to put in the work, affiliate marketing can be a rewarding and lucrative venture for beginners and experienced marketers alike.